Hello students, welcome to iQuanta. So today I am going to discuss a tricky problem from number system topic. Okay, let's see the problem. It says the digits of a 3-digit number A are written in the reverse order to form another 3-digit number B. If B is greater than A and B minus A is perfectly divisible by 7, then which of the following is necessarily true? So we need to solve this question and let's see which one of these options makes sense. So let's start with A. We can say that let A is a 3-digit number which is equal to ABC, and if we expand this we get 100A plus 10B plus C, right? And what is B? B will be reverse of A, which is CBA, and this we can write 100C plus 10B plus A. Now according to question, it's given that B minus A is perfectly divisible by 7 and B is greater than A. So what is B minus A? If we take B minus A, so this will be 100C minus C, which is equal to 99C. 10B will be cancelled out and then we are left with 99A. Basically this is nothing but 99 times C minus A. Now it also says that B minus A is perfectly divisible by 7. Can we say according to question 99 C minus A is a multiple of 7, we can write it as 7K, right? Now think about this, C and A. What are C and A? As these are used in 3-digit number, can we say A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and same for C, that these are nothing but digits from 1 to 9. Now 99 is not a multiple of 7, right? Which of these could be multiple of 7? To balance the equation, can we say C minus A must be a multiple of 7? C minus A must be multiple of 7. Okay. Now, as maximum value of C is 9, C minus A cannot be 14. It can only be 7. Okay. So, C minus A is equal to 7. What are the possibility? If C is 9, A is 2, which is equal to 7. If C is 8, A is 1, which is also equal to 7. We cannot take any of these as 0. We cannot take C as 0. We cannot take A as 0. Why? Because it says that A is a 3-digit number, right? And B is also a 3-digit number. So if A is 0, it won't be a 3-digit number. ABC won't be a 3-digit number. It will become 2-digit number. So that's why we have only two possibilities. Now what could be the values of ABC? If we talk about ABC, they are asking about which of the following is necessarily true about A, B, C. If I take minimum value of A, which is 1, then C will be 8. B could be anything because there is no constraint on B. B could be anything from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be our minimum value of ABC. What will be the maximum value when we take the second condition? When we take A is equal to 2, C will be 9 and maximum value of B will be 9. So this is going to be the maximum value of ABC. So we have the range that if we change B is equal to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then we are getting different numbers. 108, 118, 128, 138, 148. Similarly, 289, 279, all of these numbers will be the value of A, the 3-digit number A. Let's see in the option which of these satisfy. A is greater than 100, less than 299. 299 should be included, so A is not correct. What is option B? A is greater than 106 but less than 305. This makes sense because these two numbers, minimum to maximum, come within this range, right? What about the third one? 112 to 311. Some values we are missing here like 108. So C is also not correct. And 118 to 317, once again some values are missing. So we can say option B is correct. So question was easy, but option was a little tricky, right? So I hope you understood this question. Let me know your reviews about this question. Was it good? Was it difficult? Did you understand it all? If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comments. I will come back with more of such questions on regular basis. But for today, thank you. Bye-bye.